Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually clean the mopping pads, and also how you can do it with an app, or how to replace them, how to take them out, and everything. So first, let's see how to do it with an app, because I think it's possible. Because in the app, if you go right here to this button, you can click on it, and then you'll see Clean Mop Pads.
Clean Mop Pads.
And it's gonna start it. I'm gonna end it.
Cleaning solution not installed.
Because I don't have a cleaning solution. So I have ended it. I really want to end it.
Ending cleaning mop pads.
Yeah, let's hold on a second. It's ending. And now we're gonna soon begin to do it manually. So if you want to do it manually for whatever reason,
water level low,
then
add water
you can
before next mopping task.
You can take the robot out of the charging base, then flip it over. On the bottom, you'll see these two mopping pads. I don't want to start cleaning. Is it starting? It's not. Okay. Yeah. So we can see these two mopping
Robot
pads.
suspended. Move robot to new location.
Okay.
Then
Fine.
press start button to continue.
Cool. Okay.
Bumper not rebound. Tap gently to restore.
Hold on a second. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off so it doesn't interrupt me. These two mopping pads can be taken out by just pulling them out like that. So you can take them out, you can replace them, you can clean them, but you don't really want to clean the plastic, right? I mean, you can clean the plastic, but if you're planning to put it in the washing machine, you don't really want to do it. Well, it's attached with a Velcro, so we can very easily take it off, put it in the washing machine, clean this pot manually or under some warm water, and everything should be back on clean and tidy. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.